Welcome to the top best. The best Terra Core Fitness is probably one of the most versatile and effective pieces of home workout equipment you can add to your routine, offering a unique combination of stability ball training and resistance exercises that challenge your core, improve balance, and build strength in a single, compact unit. Whether you're a beginner looking to enhance your foundational fitness or an advanced athlete aiming to push your limits, this innovative device provides a dynamic platform for a full-body workout that can be adapted to countless exercises, making it an invaluable tool for achieving your fitness goals from the comfort of your own home. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Row and Ride. Enhance your squat technique with this compact machine. It allows for a deeper range of motion while engaging your entire body. It's a trusted, all-in-one solution for both cardio and strength. Target major muscle groups with a single, powerful movement. This ergonomic machine works your glutes, quads, hamstrings, core, back, and shoulders, providing effective, low-impact training at home. Pair it with the free SunnyFit app for guided sessions, AI plans, and real-time tracking. Access an exclusive community led by world-class trainers for a truly connected fitness experience. Tailor your workout with multiple pin lock positions for deep, mid-level, or neutral squats. This versatile setup supports a balanced routine suited to your individual goals. Challenge yourself with 3 built-in resistance bands, offering up to 66 pounds of total resistance. It's perfect for scaling your workouts, whether you're a beginner or advanced. This compact machine folds easily for quick storage, making it ideal for home gyms or smaller living spaces. It's lightweight and simple to move when not in use. Engineered for strength and stability, it supports up to 330 pounds. It's built for long-term performance and reliability, suitable for all fitness levels. What we like? This machine offers a comprehensive full-body workout, engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for both cardio and strength training at home, this is a great choice. Its connected fitness app provides guided workouts and progress tracking, making it ideal for those who enjoy structured training sessions. What people say. Squats are what they should be without any of the instability or joint damage that used to be all I got from trying. The row and ride is light, quick, and easy to assemble, and the app is absolutely wonderful. I can't believe how well it supports you, so all effort goes to the exercise as it should. No wobbles, no knee pain. This is way better than I thought. This comes set as the most intense, highest resistance mode. But by changing the seat post height and reducing from 3 to 1 the connection of the resistance bands, I can now absolutely use this as a more regular cardio device. It still kicks my butt, but much closer to standard cardio. Number 4. Sweet Sweat Waist Trimmer Tone Series. Introducing the Sweet Sweat Waist Trimmer Tone Series. It's designed to enhance your workouts and help you achieve your fitness goals. Experience premium sweat enhancement with this fitness belt. It's engineered to maximize your results during exercise. This trimmer is suitable for both women and men. Its versatile design ensures a comfortable fit for all users. Enjoy a perfect fit with 5 adjustable sizes. It contours to your body for optimal comfort and support. Use it consistently to help achieve a more toned physique. It's your ideal partner for a more effective fitness routine. Trust in the quality of Sweet Sweat. This premium belt is built to last and support your active lifestyle. What we like? This accessory is designed to enhance your workout by increasing sweat production and providing support. If you're someone who likes to feel the burn and wants to maximize your efforts during cardio or strength training, this could be beneficial. Its adjustable nature makes it suitable for a wide range of users looking for a comfortable, targeted experience. What people say. The quality is exceptional with premium materials that feel durable and well constructed, featuring reinforced stitching and a comfortable neoprene design that maintains its shape and elasticity even after months of intense sweating and frequent washing. The functionality is incredible as it significantly enhances my sweat production during cardio and strength training sessions, providing excellent lower back support while helping me maintain proper posture during lifts, and I love how it creates that satisfying compression that makes me feel more engaged with my core muscles throughout every workout. It looks great with its sleek black design that's discreet enough to wear under workout clothes without creating obvious lines or bulk, and the adjustable Velcro closure ensures a perfect fit that stays secure whether I'm doing high-intensity intervals or yoga flows. Number 3. Stealth Core Deluxe Trainer. Introducing the Stealth Core Deluxe Trainer. Turn your fitness routine into an exciting game you can play on your phone. Achieve strong, sexy abs and a lean core by playing engaging games. You'll forget you're even working out. This trainer syncs with your phone, using your movements to control the game. Your body becomes the joystick for an interactive experience. It offers a unique 360-degree motion for comprehensive core training. Get a strong core and a healthy back in just 3 minutes a day. The free app comes with 4 exciting games. Track your progress and compete on a worldwide leaderboard with no subscription required. It's designed to fit any smartphone, transforming the basic plank exercise into a full gaming experience. What we like. This trainer turns your core workout into an engaging video game experience. If you find traditional exercises boring and struggle with motivation, this is perfect for you. It allows you to control games with your core movements, making fitness fun and efficient, especially if you only have a few minutes a day. What people say. Plank position on pads for forearms, on a pivot, forcing microbalancing with all core stabilizing muscles. Once you learn to balance on the pivot, you can train in 3 axes, horizontal, front to back, side to side. The interactive game feature makes planking feel like an engaging activity rather than a mundane exercise routine. It's a video game for your core muscles. It has already helped my stomach get flatter in just 2 weeks. Exciting. Number 2. Revbalance 101 V2 Balance Board Sports Trainer. Whether for fun, intense workouts, or practicing tricks, this board adapts to your needs. It can be used in countless ways, and we provide inspiration to get you started. Beginners can easily start their journey with its adjustable settings and a helpful digital guide. As you progress, you'll discover new challenges, even as an advanced user. The magnetic stop system adjusts in seconds without tools, allowing you to control the rolling distance. Start with a shorter distance and gradually increase the difficulty, or remove them entirely for advanced use. Enjoy a comfortable and durable traction surface that works with or without shoes. Unlike rough grip tape, it won't scratch you or your floors. Designed and handcrafted in the USA, this trainer is built for longevity and style. It's made to last and look great while doing it. What we like. This board offers versatile training for balance, core strength, and sport-specific movements. If you're an athlete looking to improve stability or someone who wants a fun, dynamic way to exercise, this is a fantastic option. Its adjustable stops allow for progression, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. What people say. The board is well built and I like the comfort of the foam grip. It's well made and the roller, a solid plastic material, looks like it will definitely last a very long time. Great for core strengthening and balance improvement. Number 1. Gaiam Restore Mini Band Kit. Introducing the Gaiam Restore Mini Band Kit. This set includes 3 mini bands with light, medium, and heavy resistance levels. They are perfect for progressive training, suitable for beginners to advanced users. These bands are ideal for lower body exercises. You can effectively build muscle mass and increase mobility in your legs, hips, glutes, ankles, calves, and thighs. With 3 resistance levels, you can create a customized workout that fits your needs. They are also great for physical therapy, rehabilitation, and isolation exercises for your lower body. An exercise guide is included to help you get started. You can download it to learn how to make the most of your new bands. This kit contains 3 resistance bands, 1 light, 1 medium, and 1 heavy. They are designed for versatile training sessions. These bands are suitable for various fitness types, including yoga. Enhance your practice and overall lower body strength with this versatile kit. What we like. This kit provides a set of mini resistance bands for targeted lower body exercises. If you're looking to build strength and improve mobility in your legs, hips, and glutes, these bands are ideal. They offer progressive intensity, making them suitable for various fitness levels and great for adding an extra challenge to your routine. What people say. These bands feel well made and sturdy. They seem like a good option for light strength and stretching exercises. Love this mini band set for mostly arm exercises. Perfect for travel too. Easy to use, love the different sizes and many exercises that can be done with them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.